y'all. We're going to go from this to this. Stay tuned.
Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. This is Fresh Butchered Oxtail by yours truly. That's right, I butchered that this morning. Drop a comment. Let me know if y'all want to see a butcher video or not. We're really interested to know what you all think and how you feel about it. Let's go. Now here we got some store-bought oxtail that, you don't see all the time, but I did come across some this morning. And here's the USD price versus the Tanzanian shilling price. So just for a little bit of comparison, I guess you could say this is about maybe 3 pounds altogether. But we're about to get into this whole cleaning process, how we clean, the way we clean, what we use, and feel free to let us know that too, what you use.
Here's what we're going to be using for some of our ingredients today. Not everything, but just some of it.
Just a few tidbits, the main ingredients, the base.
Now this is very important. Don't forget this step. This is the cleaning process.
All right. Now you see me pouring the vinegar, but I've already did about 3 or 4 washes and rinses. And now you see me with the vinegar. A lot of people use vinegar. It's pretty common. We use vinegar and we use lemon juice. Like to let it sit, stir it up a little bit, sit for about 15-20 minutes. What does it do, babe?
It cleans the oxtails. It gets all of the debris and just that stuff that you don't want cooked. And just,
some of that loose bone, loose meat.
Lifts all that stuff out. And
Right.
these are the store-bought versus the fresh.
Yeah, you can see the pinkness and in the ones that I butchered this morning versus the store-bought. And
now we're on to the seasoning. We got
right.
some smoked paprika here.
Yeah.
And our personal favorite,
Tony's. Yes.
Yeah, gotta have Tony's.
Hey, let us know what y'all think in the comments. What kind of seasoning you use? What kind of seasonings do you wish you had?
Yeah, we got some Texas Grill Mates here.
Give it that bold, smoky flavor in addition to being all out on the pit. I think we got some, what else, baby? Some black pepper.
Yeah, we got some Lawry's coming up.
Oh, Lawry's.
You gotta have that.
Gotta have it, man. That's a must. I know somebody gotta miss it. I know we miss it. Certain seasonings is hard to come by over here. So when you have them on hand, that's a really good thing.
Right.
And I think there's that pepper.
We got some black pepper. Gotta have the black pepper.
Yup.
And next up is...
What is it, baby?
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
And it is an excellent meat tenderizer. And it also gives a lot of flavor.
Yeah. It just complements everything. We pretty much use garlic powder in about everything we cook.
Everything, yeah.
Yeah.
And, you want to make sure you have that on there.
Right. And, and once we put this on, check me out. I'm putting it on. You want to mix it up real good. Now, we're not showing y'all everything. You got to keep a couple of secrets.
Right. But this is the basics. You can put what you want in it. Make it yours.
And you'll see the color change in about 30 minutes.
And that's what it looks like after it sits for about 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Yeah, 30 minutes. I like to go 30 minutes to an hour.
Now, Jules is putting this on the grill. You want to put these on here like this so they can get cooked evenly.
Yeah.
And throughout and get the smoky flavor all throughout.
Right.
Oxtails.
Right.
And this is a slow cook process, you guys.
This like 3 to 4 hours, man.
Yeah, for quite a while. So it takes some time. Now we're going to head back to the kitchen. And I got some carrots, some celery, onion, garlic. And that's going to go in our braise. That's what we're going to use to cook the oxtails in. Give it that nice flavor.
That's a nice color scheme too, baby. It just looks good, man.
Yeah, it does. So now I had to make my own beef broth because we didn't have any. You can find it here if we just didn't have any.
Right.
And I used some of the fat and some of the oxtails that we weren't going to use.
Yeah, some bones, some of the lean meat, some of the smaller pieces. Toss it in.
Boiled it down and put a little salt in it and let it cook for a little bit, and there's my broth.
About what, maybe an hour?
Yeah, give or take.
Yeah.
Now here's everything in the pot simmering. You're going to put that red wine in there. That gives a nice flavor. Don't worry, the alcohol will cook out of the wine in about 15 minutes or so after it starts boiling.
Yeah.
So don't worry about the alcohol.
And it sure is good, y'all. Once it start coming together, get it to a rolling boil. It's
Gives
nice.
a real nice flavor. And you want red wine vinegar, but you can also use balsamic vinegar.
Right.
And don't go too heavy on the vinegar.
Yeah, you don't want it to be too acidic. You just don't do it.
Right. And now we have some tomato paste that gives it a nice rich flavor that brings everything together, and it's gonna make it thicken it up.
Yeah.
It's gonna give it a nice consistency, and it's gonna be really thick and really good.
Right. How long do you think we let this cook, babe? About an hour?
This cooked about an hour, hour and a half while we were waiting on the meat to get done in a bit.
And after it's done, just let it sit. Just let it sit and rest.
Yeah.
And that's going to be your braised for later. So, there it is.
Nice boil right there. It's boiling. It's going to cook down. It's going to get thick.
Right.
And everything's going to come together. And it's going to be so nice on the meat.
And there you go. You know, this is after about three and some change of being on the pit. Just checking it, watching it, flipping it, turning it. And then it all comes together.
Yep. So here we're pouring the sauce on top of the oxtails over the fire.
Right. And you just want to bring it just up to the top of the meat. You know, you don't want to completely submerge it. You want to have a few pieces poking out that you see my demonstration that it is. And you want to stir it up real good, mix it up. And
it's going to cook for about 3-4 hours.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then the finished product is what you see here. And it was so delicious.
Really good, y'all.
We had
really
our friend
good.
over, Ema,
Hot taste
to
tester.
give it a taste.
We'll let him tell you.
This is what he did to that plate. But don't take our word for it. We'll let him explain.
Hey, Ema, tell me about how you guys eat oxtails.
Yeah, in fact, the oxtail is very good, and it's my first time to have like this. I was talking to Julius that normally we are having in Tanzania that we know we are just cooking, we are boiling the tail and having like a soup in the morning, the white soup with meat.
Yeah.
But this is the first time to have something very special like this.
Yeah.
So it's a tale, but in very different way.
Good.
And I was telling this when you invite others, they will tell you, because most of them are guides, but they will tell you that you can have something like this in the big hotel, 5-star hotel. Yeah, I have been there and I know.
Thank
so
you.
It's very good, very nice.
There you have it, guys. Tanzanian telling y'all what's up. It was delicious.
That's right.
We really enjoyed cooking it. It really is a labor of love. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments what you think.
That's right. Y'all know what we're going to be over here doing. What?
Being country
in another country. We out.